Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're back here with Benny, and today I'm doing a bit of a hike and cook. So right now I'm walking along what's called Gold Creek. Gold Creek feeds into a lake called Alouette Lake, and the small little hike I'm doing today is about 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes, and it's a rainy day, but I love it. There's nobody around, it's nice and peaceful. So this way here leads to Alouette Lake. This way here takes you into the back country, so there's a set of waterfalls that you can hike to, and yeah, just doing a little bit of a hike to the lake, and then I'm gonna head back to a public campground, get some fire going, and cook up some lunch. So as always guys, if you like this content and all my other stuff, feel free to hit that like and subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and I really appreciate you guys supporting my channel. Thanks very much guys. Well, I just spotted a empty pop bottle here that's been chucked. Just gonna go pick that up because I don't like to see that on my trails. There we go. I'll be taking that with me. Look at the color of that water, beautiful green. So when I was a kid, probably not the smartest thing ever, but I used to cliff jump off of this, but a much higher kind of height. And also there's a waterfall down that way, as I mentioned earlier, that I used to cliff jump off of. Not smart. I don't suggest any of you kids do that. But the water is extremely cold all the way through the summer. And it's just, once you fall in the water, or you jump in the water, man, let me tell you, it wakes you right up. So I'm seeing some tents over there. I think they might be filming or something. Not quite sure. I'm gonna keep going until I'm asked to turn around. Alright, so I've made it to the lake, Alouette Lake. And yeah, just like I thought, yeah, they are filming. Apparently it's a Bush Light commercial. So, pretty cool. So it goes to show you, just go for a bit of a hike somewhere and you come across something cool. I would have never seen this if I was sitting on my couch watching TV. So yeah, check out this lake. You can't really see it because it's quite cloudy, but well, I checked to see if they'd let me be one of the actors on the commercial, but apparently I'm not Hollywood ready. That was pretty cool to see. Yeah, they had a couple of dogs, I guess, that were part of the commercial. And I really wanted to pet them, but they wouldn't let me. It's always funny when you're driving by other campers in their campsite. They're wishful and hopeful that you don't park beside them and you don't set up camp beside them because they just want their peace and quiet. I totally understand that, but it's funny to see their reaction because they're like... Alright, got my tarp set up. It's cold, it's wet, but it's quiet. I like it. I had to prop my tarp up with this little guy here. Yeah, so I'm going to split some wood up, get this fire started and get warmed up, and then think about lunch. Alright, getting this fires going here, starting to warm up. Okay, I got my fire going, tarp set up, and I wanted to try these out here. My hands are definitely cold, you know, setting up the tarp and stringing them to the trees. So I wanted to try these out. They're by Sabbath Heat. They sent them to me to test out and do a review. First impression, they're a bit heavier than I thought they were going to be. That's just because of the battery. The battery's kind of in this pocket here. You just open it up, battery's inside. Yeah, I've charged them up. They are goat skin, part of it's goat skin, and they're splash proof. And the box says that it's meant to heat up in seconds. So I'm going to try them out and see how well they work, because my hands could use some warmth. And apparently you just hit the power button here, press and hold it. That one's on. That one's on. Alright, just waiting for it to heat up. Oh wow. Yeah, that is instantaneous. I did not expect that. Wow, that's already starting to heat up. That's pretty cool. So yeah, so there's multiple settings up to the hottest setting. I'm not quite sure what setting I'm on now, but you can already start to feel it heating up, which is great. And you don't really kind of feel the weight of it when you put them on, so that's also very good. So I've had these on for about 20 minutes or so, and they're still quite warm. So the majority of the heat I feel is kind of on the tops of the hands, not really underneath. But it's still going strong, still very comfortable, still nice and warm. So here's the different settings. So you basically just press it once, change it to a hotter setting, hotter setting, hotter setting, and then back to it, so to the first setting. I'm not quite sure if the red is the hottest, but I can tell you that it's on red now and it's really nice and warm. So alright, well I'm getting hungry for lunch, and I'm going to cook up some bacon wrapped pork sausages and some asparagus. All right, lunch is all cooked up. Let's try this out. That's quite good. Well, as much as I'd like to stay here all night and camp it out, unfortunately I have to get back to the real world, so I'm going to finish this up, relax by the fire a little bit longer, and then break down camp and then head out. So I hope you guys like this video and all my other stuff. And like I said, if you got a sec, hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and thanks for subscribing.